Right, Mulholland family, you guys are still working hard. We did this pergola here a couple weeks back. Now we are adding one here, another one all the way over there where the guys are working. We'll also have one coming up on the second floor right up there above this little deck. So that one is here and it's already assembled. This one is a unique one, which has a kind of a beautiful back panel that wood-like, and then the top panels are being inserted right now. It's thick. And again, over there getting done right now, and last one which will go up here. That will all get finalized tomorrow morning.
We just completed another beautiful project. We installed 4 pergolas here, all aluminum, 100% powder coated, made in our factory in Canoga Park. Here we have one of our newest ones. It's a wood-like design pergola. Beautiful product. This is one. This is our second pergola up here. Our third pergola, we're just missing one post over there, which will be installed by the end of the day. And then this pergola we installed last week. So here we have 4 pergolas. Customer is very happy. There you have it, guys. Another beautiful project by Mulholland.